Alright, hello and welcome back. So this video is just that we are going to make it ready to continue making the dialog system. So first up, in the description you will be able to see a bunch of images. I'm just gonna drag them in here. So there should be a site here where you can go in and collect all the images, or you can simply just, if you just want to follow the GitHub, I will make it so that you can just download this version of it. So you can just follow along for this specific point. So we're actually going to set those to be 2D sprites. And accept, and then we can then use those here. Next up, we actually want to move some of the scripts up into data. Let's just close all those. And make a new folder called scripts. Because there are some specific of them that we want to move up here, because they're not a part of example 1. And I think that was UI. Actually, we kind of want to duplicate it. Can we just do this? Nope. Alright, so let's just make the folder then. Later on we want a folder called UR, but for now we just want to move this one up here, because this should be able to be used for array, what we call it, array example, and this is just for example 1. Think events as well. The event system should work for for now, let's just leave it at that. However, some of those here we will need to go in and disable, because we're going to break a lot of the system. But for now, I think this is good. Let's see, is there any more here? No, this should be alright. Alright. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is the difference between value types and reference types. Because in the code at the moment, we are using both value types and reference types. So what is the difference between a value type and a reference type? Well, a reference type is if I give you a reference type, that means I'm constantly reference back to the value I was given. If you give me a value type, that when I change the value type, I do not change the original value. So so right now you can see here it's int, longs, float, doubles, bytes, shorts, chars, and bools. And reference types are classes, interface, arrays, delegates, objects, strings, and dynamic. Here's the thing: strings is in theory a reference type, however, it does not work as a reference type. I think if we go down here, they have an example somewhere. I'll also be linking this in the description down below. So here, that cursor strings type, and they go into some deeper between why here. But I just wanted to tell you that we are actually going to make a wrapper in our code, so we will make everything a reference type, because the way I want to build the system, everything needs to be a reference type. Let's go back. And now we need to go into all of the code here, and actually, and someone asked if I could zoom a little more in. I hope this is this is alright. I don't. And again, if this is not zoomed not enough, if this is not zoomed enough in, just tell me. I actually think we just need to delete everything, gonna be honest. Because we are going to rework the entire system anyway. So simply just do this and save this one. We will go back. Yeah, we definitely have a lot of reference errors now. For now, I think we just need to do this. Save. Go back. Lots of beautiful arrows. This also just needs to be scrubbed out. Script out. I think we can leave that thing alone there. The run notepad, just be gone with it. We're going to rework the entire thing anyway. So for now, let's just save this. In theory, you could probably just delete it, but we're just gonna leave it as it is right now. And I think that should be it. I don't think there are any of the other ones we actually need to change the core system in. See, do random color. I don't think we need to change those here, so we're just gonna leave them be for now. We need to go up to the CSS loader and go nope and go nope and nope. I think that should do it. Let's actually just go nope with the entire thing. Then we need to go back into the safe one. The reason why I'm doing this is because we are going to rework it all, how it works. So many of the things its reference here will no longer exist because we are going to rebuild it. So save this one here. I don't think we need to do it with those thingies here. See, language type, that should not be changed. Yeah, I think it's only the safe thing here that needs to be changed. Okie dokie. And let's go into language. Yes, this one also needs to be uncommented. I think we can just do this and it shouldn't be angry. There we go. Alright, so of course nothing of this actually works now, but that is fine for now. Oh. We are actually also going to delete those here, because those will no longer be working. So let's just close this one so it doesn't have a reference. Goody goody. It's because the way we save data down here is gonna change so much that just to be on the safe side, we're going to delete it so we don't get too many errors. So let's see, I think that should be it for now. Yes, this is a rather short video, but this video is just to set it up, and I will upload this to GitHub so you can follow along from this point if you try to make your own and change that. So yeah, see you in the next video.